Guys, let's make a quick salad for breakfast. So, normally I first washed my eggs and then I placed them on fire. I prefer washing the egg before to remove any pieces of the chicken from it. I don't want it to boil with the egg. So, after putting them on the fire, I wash my lettuce or salad leaves. Before I wash it twice off camera, before I brought it on camera and wash it with salt water. So after washing it with the salt water, I will wash it with a clean water with no salt again, so that the salad won't be salty. The salt is to kill any bacteria from it. So you will soak it in the salty water for about 2 to 3 minutes or 5 minutes to kill any bacteria and germs from it. So doing that, I already prepped my tomatoes, cutting them in the shapes that I want. You can cut it in any shape that you prefer. I just chose this way, okay? So you can do it any way you like yours. I already have some of the veggies which I used the previous days that has been washed already. So looking at the tomatoes, they have been washed. So you see the veggies in the ziploc. I've already washed them. I used them the previous day and this the remaining, so I was just using it. They've been washed and everything. That's why I place it on the ziploc. So doing this, my egg is on the fire. Look at the way I cut my carrot. This is the best way and the easiest way for me to get the shape that I want. I first slice it round, then after that I will take a bit, about 3 or 4 slices, then I'll cut them small and get that shape that I do want. So you can learn this if you really want to. You see me put it in water which has no salt in it. Yes, I don't want it to be salty. You have to have a sieve that can strain the water, a strainer rather. Have a strainer that can strain the water from it. And I prefer tearing it with my fingers. I don't like cutting it. I want to actually tear them with my fingers. I want that random shape. When I cut it with knife, it will have that. I don't want it. I don't want that shape when you cut it with the knife. So I prefer doing that with my hands. And you will leave it in the strainer for all the water to strain. So during those time, I was prepping my carrot and then my cucumber. Making salad is one of the easiest things to do, and anybody can do it. Okay, anybody at all can do that. Also, you can prepare it in any way you want. Sometimes I put in potatoes, sometimes I don't. So today it has no potatoes, but I will definitely give you a video of me adding potato into my salad for you to also learn how to do that. Just do it the way you want and the way you enjoy it. That's all making salad is for. It's up to you doing it in the way that you enjoy eating. When I'm cutting my cucumber, I first cut some in square shape or cubes. Yes, and then I slice the other one. That's the way I want mine. That's how I do it always. You can do it the way you also want, but me, I first cut some in a cube or square shape. Then the other one I slice it. Sometimes I remove the back from it. Yes, I remove the green at the back. Sometimes too I don't, depending on how you want it. So here my salad leaves has been strained. Yes, the water has been strained. So I already had leftover of what I used the previous day, so I was adding it, and the remaining of the new one I put it back inside the Ziploc. So always use it so that when it doesn't get spoiled. Okay, so that's it, and you can arrange it in any way you want. Okay, there's no format in aligning them, like say you want to any way you want. We are done with our salad, and I've already placed them inside the fridge. So let's toast our bread. So I normally toast it with just cheese. That's how I do prefer it. Okay, with my cute toaster, that's how I toast my bread, with just cheese, nothing else. Again, I don't want any filling when I already have salad, so I just made it with just cheese. This is it for now. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and also leave a comment if you enjoyed watching it. See you next time. Bye.